2017 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys, it comes already with 4 catalytic converters from the factory, 2 here, 2 there. Then it already comes true dual into a single in, dual out, or single out muffler. And the guy wanted a little bit more noise and more flow, so we put him a MAGNAFLOW dual in, dual out muffler, 18-inch. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes, right there and right there. Goes over the rear end into 3.5 by 18 tips rolled edge. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Always MAGNAFLOWs, they're really quiet until you give them gas. They're really nice for like if you do a lot of off-road, like on the freeway and stuff. This is what came off. That's the original muffler that came off of it. Right there, and there's a dual inlet on it. The I-Force Toyota Tundra 2017.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone